camera in front of me. Actually, I have a computer, which on Facebook, what you can see me in here, and my clinic YouTube as well, and also have a cell phone in front of me that is actually for AcuTCM school. This time, I'm going to talk about male infertility. So the topic is really is the medical conditions and medications and drugs that can cause male infertility. So what are they? What is the idea? So I'm going to share with you. Now, number one thing, medical conditions. So I have about 5 medical conditions that in my mind that I can share with you. In general, those are more common when we see male infertility patient. They're causing from those things, right? Number one thing, retrograde ejaculation, which means when men ejaculation and the sperm actually going out of the body, right? And this one is everything backward, right? So this is one of the reason, medical conditions causing male infertility. Second is varicocele, or the swelling of the veins around testicles. So that causes male infertility too. Okay, and testicles, number 3, testicles that haven't descended into the scrotum, number 3. Okay, number 4, having antibodies that attack your sperm and destroy them, that's number 4. The last one, last medical conditions is hormonal imbalance, such as low testosterone production. Now, in acupuncture and Chinese herbs, what we can help you all the conditions that I just mentioned about, right? Retrograde ejaculation, we'll be able to help you with acupuncture and Chinese herbs. Varicocele or swelling of the veins around the testicles, we'll be able to help you with that too. Having antibodies that attack your sperm and destroy them, that is something that we can help you too, right? A hormonal imbalance, low testosterone, that's something we can help you too. But there's one thing that I mentioned about in that thing, we can help you, but also we need the surgeon to help you with that too. Testicles that haven't descended into the scrotum. So that one is depending what the situation is. We'll be able to help you with bring the organs more balanced, but mainly the surgery part. If you can find out earlier, then the surgeon will be able to help you in this part. Okay, so of course we know that testicles in both sides, right? Is it one side that doesn't do that, or both sides? We need to figure out what's going on. And so normally acupuncture and Chinese medicine will be able to help you with the quality of the sperm, right, in this case. But if both of the testicles haven't descended into the scrotum and you have no sperm at all, we can't really help you with that with acupuncture and Chinese medicine. So with all I just mentioned above, if you suffer one of them, okay, or now I did mention about with the hormonal imbalance, it also comes with one thing is sperm quality. There's more and more that we can see now with sperm quality, especially with cell phone. We now all have cell phone, and the cell phone actually damage the sperm, right? So that is one thing that very, very common. Not used to be, but now in this stage made very common. So if you need any help with, if you suffer from any of what I just mentioned, come to us. We'll be able to help you. If you're an acupuncturist and you want to know how to treat male infertility, please contact us too. We have training video that we can show you. You can be trained. You can be trained online. Okay. Now, next thing I'm going to talk about is medications and drugs. You know, various medications and drugs can also affect male fertility, such as I'm going to mention 6 of them, 6 types. Chemotherapies or radiation therapy, right, which are used for cancer. No matter what cancer you have, so cancer, 3 main cancer treatment. One is surgery, the other one is chemotherapy, and the next one is radiation therapy. And chemotherapy and radiation therapy are both actually damage the sperm. Okay, and chemotherapy is quite toxic, so therefore we see people that suffer from cancer and they went for IVF before chemotherapy. So the male get the sperm out and store it, and they do IVF because once you or the patient went through chemotherapy, it will damage the sperm. So even though they heal from the cancer survivor, and they still need to take the chance, or there's a risk that the sperm quality won't be good. All right, so that is in this stage people go, one of the reason that people go for IVF, the reason from the male side. One of the drugs called sulfasalazine. Sulfasalazine is which is used for rheumatoid arthritis and ulcerative colitis. So this drugs will affect your sperm quality as well. Number 3 I want to mention about is calcium channel blockers. So calcium channel blockers, which are used for high blood pressure. So which a lot of people have high blood pressure in this stage. They're healthy. You can't tell they suffer from high blood pressure, but they're actually taking calcium channel blockers. Now, if you want to have baby and you find it difficult to have baby, and you're on calcium channel blockers for your high blood pressure, that could be one of the reasons. So what can you do for that? Easy. Come to us. Go to acupuncturist and Chinese medicine herbalist, because what happened is we want to find out your high blood pressure, what caused your high blood pressure. Now in our clinic, we prescribe Chinese herbs. I have patients just taking herbs, no acupuncture. Some patients need with acupuncture. Some just acupuncture. They respond very well with acupuncture. To lower the high blood pressure, stabilize it, then of course you actually take your blood pressure reading every day. So we can tell while you're still on the drugs with acupuncture or Chinese medicine treatments, then we can see that your high blood pressure is lowered down and stable. Then we refer you back to your GP, and the GP will be able to tell you how to slowly cut down your calcium channel blockers. Okay, we've done it successfully. So yes, if your infertility cause is from that drug, come to us, we will help you. There's another drug for antidepressants. It's antidepressant drugs called tricyclic antidepressants, and this again we see more and more common in this stage. A lot of people suffer from depressions, and on the GP, the only thing that they can treat you in their book is medication, put you on medication. And this drugs has been proved that will affect your sperm quality. And again, this is preventable. You have a lot of other things that you can do. You have homeopathic that can help you, osteopath, chiropractor, acupuncture, Chinese herbs, naturopath, yoga, meditation, psychology, all this thing that we be able to help you as a combination. You need to figure out which one help you, which work for you. Then you can actually get rid of the antidepressants. Then once you get rid of that, it doesn't affect your sperm. Then you'll be able to have try for conceiving, right, with your partner. So to have a baby. So that's important. So something that you actually can do. Now we mentioned about rheumatoid arthritis and ulcerative colitis. If you're using the drugs, we just talk about sulfosalations. That drug is very harmful to the sperm. But if you want to get rid of the drugs, acupuncture is very good for arthritis, and we treat ulcerative colitis with Chinese herbs, and acupuncture, depending how serious you are. So you can come to us, we will give you a plan and talk to you what we can do for you, right? Okay, the next drug is what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now number 5, and we call steroids. We call it anabolic steroids, which are used for improved athletic performance or hormonal issues such as delayed puberty. So again, this thing we can avoid it. You don't need any treatment to avoid that one. For delayed puberty, if you suffer from that, and apart from choosing steroid, Chinese herbs, acupuncture will be able to help you with that, right? And athletic performance, you really don't do that, right? Because you're not allowed to do those drugs, so why do that? So that is a way to improve your athletic performance, which is if you suffer from pain, if you need, if you have organs imbalance, like you have very bad digestive system, so your muscle haven't got enough strength, then come to Chinese medicine. We'll be able to help you sort out your stomach and spleen. Then once your digestive system is better, and you will have bigger or more strong strength in your muscle. The last drugs, medication, this is actually the drugs that I want to mention that would affect your sperm. That is recreation drugs such as marijuana and cocaine. That is very important. That's very important. A lot of people didn't know that, especially young people. They enjoy their life, or they have some stress and they want to get relaxed, and they use marijuana and they use cocaine. And Once they realize that they're gonna have baby and they can't, and you're going to regret it because you too many marijuana. It go into your blood. It definitely goes into your blood, and it definitely damage or affect your kidney. So according to Chinese medicine, kidney control reproductive system, and the quality of your sperm is depending on your kidney function. That is Chinese medicine saying. Of course, this is one, and the other one is liver as well. Okay. Now, the bottom line, any of these things that I mentioned, or even a combination of them, could lead to infertility in men. Okay. As an acupuncturist and Chinese medicine herbalist, we'll be able to help you to, we'll be able to have a look on your case and see whether how we can help you, whether we can help you or not. We can give you a plan. We now be able to help you from distance. No matter where you are, we'll be able to book you a Zoom meeting. Then we are able to prescribe you herbs. We can't give you acupuncture from distance, but we'll be able to show you some acupressure point with moxibustion stick, so you can do some moxibustion at home, or you can do some acupressure at home while we're giving you Chinese herbs if you need Chinese herb. Okay. Also, if you're in New Zealand, we'll be able to send the herbs to you. And the herbs, if you're in overseas, if you have a Chinese herbal store, you'll be able to get your herbal from the store. Or if you're in some of the country, we have supplier, we'll be able to get the supplier, send you the herbs over there. All right, we're doing online consultation for people in Australia and America and UK and Malaysia and China. So we really help you with that. Now, if you want us to help you, our contact number detail is down there or up there. Okay, give us a call or email us. Now, if you're an acupuncturist, you're interested to learn how to treat male infertility, please contact us. We have online courses that you can join in, and we can discuss, and I can show you how to treat them. Right? Stay awesome. And today is the what's today? Today is Friday, and tomorrow I'll do another live video for you guys. We'll do, hopefully I have time to do it every day. I'm trying to do it every day. I have patients to look after too. Right? Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.